Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another diptych. If you'll remember, I created that really beautiful diptych and then I varnished it and it cracked. So they were ruined. So I've been wanting to do another diptych. So we're going to do that today. So I've got two canvases here. They are just little rectangle canvases, and I'm just getting myself ready here. So I've got some paper towel to wipe my palette knife off with. There's the palette knife, and in here I have a mixture of the Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with water and my normal black paint with pouring medium, with water, with silicone mixed in here, and this is what we're going to swipe with. So right, let us start off by putting some paint on the canvases, and I'm going to do them both at the same time. I don't know if that's a good idea, but let's just do it. And already we're running out of paints. Okay, so I'll put that one side so I know to fill it up. Some neon orange. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when you don't come into your caravan and mix paints. That's fine. That's two I need to fill up. Some neon pink. And I've got a light green. I'm really running out of colors. Eh? What else? Let's put down some. I'll put some of this. Sorry, let me just pull that off. Like that. And I think some neon yellow. Come on, where are you? Come on. It's also nearly finished. I might as well put it that side where all my empty bottles are. Right, I'm just going to hit this with a heat gun. I wonder if I should just swipe across. Yeah, let's just swipe across that way. So, swipe and wipe off. And swipe and wipe off. And swipe. Okay, next one. And swipe. And swipe. And swipe. Okay. Right, I'm just going to hit this with a heat gun quick. Okay, and let's tilt. So I'm just going to go round in a circle. And then I'll take this one around in a circle. That out the way quickly. And let's start. So bring it down. I don't know if you can see it. Bring it down and back. Okay, next corner. And back. Right, so you just wipe my hands off if I can. So what I think I'm going to do, oh goodness. Alright, so let's just add some paint on here. Alright. And add some of this. And we'll add some and neon pink. Right, let me swipe that quickly. So there they are. Very pretty, very bright and colourful. There's the one. And there's the other. And I mean, even though the colors are not 100% the same, like this one has more pink and this one has more green, it's fine. It's the same patterns and designs. So I'm definitely selling these two as a diptych, as a set. And I'm not going to varnish them. I'm not going to ruin these ones like the other ones were ruined. So there we go. I think they're very, very pretty. Really, really very cool colors and patterns and designs in it. They've got the 3D effect, which I love. Really cool. And then this one, I love that. Look at that effect. Pretty colors, bright. Very, very cool. So there we go, everyone. Diptych done today. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.